To Altamaha Sound, Georgia, out 60 nautical miles until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line from near CCA buoy to 8 nautical miles north of St. Catherine Sound and is nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include GA buoy, buoy tender sagebrush, tug reel upon, ferry boat Janet, tug Elmira, buoy J, C buoy Us, C buoy 2W, CCA buoy, CAT buoy, tug Viatura Camo, tug Zinasqua, buoy L, latex barge and sailor barge. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.